Hey Dekoni fans, today we want to take a deep dive look at the Headphone Savior. Let's start with a look at how the case comes. So when you first get it, you have your accessories and you have this flexible divider that is Velcro attached to the sides of the package, and you can just pull it off and rearrange it wherever you like within the bag to fit your needs. Also, you could attach it on the other sides if you so desire. And this flexible bit here can adjust the depth. And I'll show you what I mean there, because the second Velcro panel is on the bottom. And if you want, you can take that out for taller headphones. And also use this as like a second divider if you so desire. I have another bag here where I actually folded the divider into a loop. Again, just whatever seems to make sense for you. Okay, so for our first demo, we wanted to look at a high-end portable and see what a bag like this could give you the capabilities of bringing with you. So in this front pocket, you know, people wonder if you can fit a music player in there. And yeah, of course you can. But we had enough room that we could also add this battery, 10,000 milliamp battery pack, so you can have an even longer playback time. Always nice for portable. And then on to the main compartment. We have, oh wait, how did that get in there? Well, I guess if it's good enough for headphones, it's good enough for a camera, right? Anyway, the headphones we have in here today are the Focal Ear. The boss is making use of the Utopia right now, but that's a pretty big headphone. And that's fitting in there pretty nicely. We have our flappy guy here, and then on top you can see that we have a nice upgrade cable here, a USB cable for the charger, 1/4 inch to 1/8 of an inch adapter, all kinds of good stuff where we can just look right through that mesh and see what's going on. Okay, so that's pretty cool. What about a bigger deal for someone who's got a large office and wants to just kind of keep his system all organized and packed away? So first thing we did was, you know, kind of got a relatively familiar headphone. Now you might be thinking, oh my gosh, there's no more room to fit the accompanying headphone in there. But actually, cost is nice enough to make this modular, so we can take the pieces off here, wearing the new fenestrated sheepskin pads here. That's nice. We'll go ahead and make the pads touch each other because that's good padding. And just slide them in there in their own little area. If you have non-detachable cables, we do recommend angling it a bit so that you can take advantage of the depth of this case so that you don't have a sharp angle. And we're just going to slide that in here. If you use Velcro fasteners, they may attach to the Velcro of that, but that keeps it nice and tidy. And then the headband just fits in there. No problemo. So there you have a full COS headphone inside. And we still want that battery pack because pretty much no matter what you do, a battery pack is always handy. And let's upgrade to another music player that has a line output jack. So, you know, this Vio X7, a little bit older but very good. Fits in there as well. And now we have an organized all-in-one piece case for a electrostat system to go. Wow.